I'm going to make a paperairplane.
Okay.
And I have to say something else now.
Okay.
Hello, my name's Dominik and I'm 5. Actually, I'm 4.5. What is up this? Oh. Now open it up and with triangles. Oh. And I fold it with over. And fold it like that in half. And then I get that right there. And then get it there. That's how I make it. That doesn't even take long, eh?
No, and has it got like a bubble at the top?
Yeah. Oh.
Do you need to sellotape it or something to keep it in place, or is it okay?
I just have to staple it. Oh, need sellotape actually. Need sellotape because it doesn't even connect up. Staple. I can show you how it flies soon.